WBAP. We interrupt regular programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Central Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Erath County, southwestern Parker County, southeastern Palo Pinto County, northwestern Hood County until 12:30 this afternoon. At 11:47 today, a severe thunderstorm was located near Gordon, or 22 miles north of Stephenville, moving east at 20 miles per hour. This storm includes quarter-sized hail. Again, the National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erath, Parker, Palo Pinto, and Hood counties until 12:30 this afternoon. All north central Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to rebroadcast the preceding announcement.
The National Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a flash flood warning for Bosque County in Central Texas, Hill County in Central Texas, until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:18 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Hillsboro, Clifton, Whitney, Itasca, Meridian, Laguna Park, Valley Mills, Bloom, Iredell, Grand Falls Gap, Covington, Benham, Carl's Corner, Lake Whitney State Park, Aquila Lake, Meridian State Park, Walnut Springs, Morgan, and Retreat. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.